With people becoming more eco-cautious about how we treat our planet Earth, we have also found many different incredible innovations to save our planet Earth. Hi, my name is Vishwanath and in this video हम बात करेंगे 5 incredible innovations की जो हमारी धरती और हमें दोनों को सही सलामत रखेगी. Over the period of time, technology has evolved a lot. And in the same way how the technology has evolved, our plastic consumption has also evolved and has increased day by day. So to fight that, there has been great innovations to support how we can reduce the plastic waste by introducing technology in it. चलो देखते हैं 5 अनोखे तरीके and innovations that can help save us the world step by step. The first type of innovation which we will be talking about today is biodegradable plastics. This type of plastics are truly revolutionaries. For years, scientists have worked to finding an alternative on current plastic problems and they have come up with a great solution. This type of plastics are made up from castor oil, are normal trees, and also a very impressive example which we can give is biocork. They are made up from cork trees, and also there is one very innovative and eye-catching packaging which we have found through biodegradable material is coconut bottle packaging. Quite shocking, right? The second one we have is smart trash can, and the best example I can give is Big Belly solar trash can. These trash cans are very smart. They hold 5 times more garbage waste than a normal household trash can, and also in addition to that, when it gets filled by 80%, it sends you a text message so you can go and empty them out. What a great way of saving the plastic and our garbage waste, yeah. Third one is solar powered roads. Yes, you heard it right, solar powered roads. These roads are literally embedded with solar panels to generate more energy. There are some European countries who have started already developing this as we speak, as it is the cleanest source of energy creation and it will be the future of the world. The fourth one we have is plastic bag eater. Yes, the name speaks for itself, plastic bag eater. This machine literally eats up any source of type of plastic you give it to him, whether it be non-biodegradable or biodegradable. And this machine literally saves thousands of animals every year. As we know, we use plastic bags every day for our food or for our grocery. And with the help of this machine, we will never have to find a new earth or a new place to go. Drawing electricity right from our body. Yes, you heard it right. This amazing innovation can generate renewable source of energy right from our body. And it's called triboelectric generator, and it is used with help of a rubber material to generate static electricity, and then it converts it into a normal electric power source which can be used by us. I know the future is green, and we hope this all innovation enlightens you and makes you think about new ideas. And if you like the video, please comment down your thoughts and we'll get back to you.